I'm not the way you get yesterday.
Yo, I'm not business dog. I'm not business dog.
Welcome back. It's your boy Kimali. Okay, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment. Alright. In a life, you have ups and you have downs. We fall, we get up. Sometimes falling is due to people who want jockey walk. Me never know who I'm for sorry for, the man or the ass. I see him so. In a life, you have to just drop some people. Brother, feed the ass. You know, say the ass hungry. The ass look like it could have eat the ass right now, brother. You see it?
I'm not the way you get yesterday.
Yo, I'm not business dog. I'm not business dog.
Give me one more
time like that.
Okay, go.
Ah, bro.
Here?
Yeah, dog. Yo. Ah.
The man hug up the man like a brothers in arms. But seriously, why him follow him friend them and do this and him know him devil like beard?
Yo, dog, I'm cool dog. I'm blue dog. I'm cool dog. I'm catching my water.
Eh? If you don't even like beard, a cold water you understand, brother? Tell the truth.
To a go on in the world, you know, you better you go your bed.
Let go ahead, God.
No, this a brother ya. Me no know. Let go your head, brother. I know your head you for hold your meds or your temperature. One of them, but I know your head you for hold that.
Let go ahead, God.
God, let go ahead, God.
It only has just begun.
God, let go ahead, God.
Let go ahead, God.
These nuts. Got him!
See, Frost?
Pandaka na shake.
You never bad set like. What is?
God, let go ahead, God.
What to
God,
the
let go
I tell you.
ahead, God.
Yeah, the can't see go. Watch it first. Oh shit. My juice go freeze.
Yo, 1 minute, yo. 1 minute, yo.
You got 1 minute yet. No, man.
Bruise up, better bumbuck. About the bruise up. Better. Yo, about the cook.
You better you go your bed.
Right now, this a man here, balls cool up. Man balls cool up from him young, literally.
Yo.
No, ease, no better. Stop, move back.
Better ease, no better. Money.
These nuts.
Really, nigga?
Money. Cool, you would make it feel my balls numb. Yo, spray man. Dog, Jano.
Bless him, God. Bless him.
What am I doing, dog?
About half dozen man. May I tell you, them man here no want see Elsha.
Only in Old Harbor Bay.
Do it good! Do it good! Yeah!
God send a yard river for them. Yard river. Even Santa Claus no kind so. Even Santa Claus brother. You see. I could have swear me see one of them bust a double backflip stroke a while ago.
Only in Old Harbor Bay.
Do it good! Do it good! Yeah! Mother! Boom! Boom! Mother! Boom! Boom! Flicker down! Flicker down, my life!
Alright, so that's it guys. I just hope you hit that love that hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment, share this video. Tata skits. I'm out.